Look how clean it is from this to this. This German product, Kasha K3 Power Control, is a versatile electric pressure washer designed for efficient cleaning of various surfaces, making it suitable for tasks like washing vehicles, garden fences, bicycles, and you can see what I am doing. The device comes with a power control spray gun and Vario power spray lamps, allowing user to select the appropriate pressure level ranging from hard, medium, soft and mix, tailored to different cleaning tasks. Yes, we can put a detergent also so that you can clean your vehicle. And it is a very lightweight, weighing approximately 3 to 4 kg. The high pressure hose features a quick connect system, ensuring easy setup and disassembly so that anybody can use. You see, my girls are using it. Well, I'm not recommending it, but I'm using it, so just made a video. Thank you. Guys, what do you think about the video? My girls are doing it properly or not? Just check it out. And if you like the video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you very much. അതിന് താഴെ ഇറങ്ങണം.